Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok camera quality. So if you are trying to take videos or photos and the camera quality is really poor, there are two steps that ensures you have the highest quality. So without any further ado, let's get right on the steps. So the first thing that you need to do is tap on settings, then scroll down, find camera, and here you have options, and now you just have to tap on record video and check to see if your video quality is at the lowest. Like for example, it may be at 1080 SD at 60 frames per second. Now what you have to do is just put it at the high end. Like I'm gonna put it at 4K at 60 FPS. Now I'm gonna do the same for slow-mo as well. Now by doing this, you can make sure that your videos are shot on high quality. Now the next thing after this that you can do is tap on TikTok. I'm just gonna record a small video. Now record a small next record, and obviously you will edit, put on sounds or music in your video, and after you have finished with that, tap on more options, and here you will be given an option to allow high quality uploads, and if it is turned off, just turn it on. This whole thing will lead you to making your video quality in highest resolution and crisp quality. So that's it for today. Hope this video was useful to you guys, and if it was, leave a like, comment down below what the next tutorial should be on, consider hitting that subscribe button. Also catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.